As a leader in tandem strolling and juvenile products, Juvie is changing the way parents purchase gear. Today, Juvie is growing beyond strollers, high chairs, and play yards by bringing their unparalleled level of innovation, quality, and vibrant design to new gear and toy products with an emphasis on safety, functionality, and fun. Juvie is once again changing the game. Designed for children as young as 18 months, Juvie's Tricycle is a unique take on the classic tricycle, designed to introduce your child to balance and coordination one step at a time. Children love the adventure of piloting their very first vehicle, and parents love that they are in control while their child masters each stage of learning. As your child grows, they can transition from riding without steering, pedaling, or balancing to the day when you remove the parent push handle, baby surround arms, and fold-up footrest. Now your child can pilot their tricycle all by themselves. Transitioning from tricycle to bicycle is made easier with Juvie's Bicycle, the best-looking, best-functioning balance bike on the market. Parents are amazed at how quickly their kids learn to ride a bike without the need of training wheels. The Bicycle frame is strong and lightweight, just like on high-end bicycles. The Bicycle looks like a real bike, and it's perfect for children 3 to 5 years old. And parents need to do little more than encourage their child as they learn. The Tricycle and the Bicycle. Juvie brings the best gear to you and your child. Get Juvie today.